Kung kaya ka ng double full. Paano ba siya? Paghanap dito, ipapag-height. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanap dito, toe touch. Ulap na tayo. Ready? Last two. Ang toe touch, para ng logic. Ready? Last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Good job. Next, sasabihin natin, pag-straddle, 1, 2, 3, 4, straddle, lagyan ng single. Ready? Guys are ready? Sige, salamat ako. Ready? Last 2, 3, 4, 5.